Guys, today I'm unboxing Rohnson Mamba 1 electric vacuum cleaner. Oh, nice little roller. Many little accessories. I was going to buy a Hoover first, but there was no more available in the store, so I got this one. Has these two type of brushes, and what I like is this swiveling, that it can go in every corner. Okay, so this is the stands to hang on the wall. I have to make holes in the wall. I'm not sure if the screws are also in the package. A small charger. Oh, here's the battery. Lithium 29.6 volts. Oh, so the connectors are here. It's not like that type of power tools where you have 1, 2, 3, 4 heavy terminals. It's something electronics. Would be nice if you could interchange it with like Makita, a power tool. Very lightweight, doesn't weigh nothing. 315 watts seems to be good. Very light. A lot of people mentioned that it's like light plasticky, but okay, of course that's good because you don't want heavy weight to carry around, but you have to be extremely careful not to break. And here you can see these small connectors for the battery. I'm wondering what is what here. And this is a on and off button, which I like. The other ones had a trigger on, only on when you press it. I like this more, turn it on, that you are a little bit more free with your hands. And here's the, let's call it the stick. It has these two connectors. Probably there's a motor at the, no, there's a motor here in this, somewhere a motor in here to make this turn. So it passes the electricity through here. So that's my unboxing video of the Mamba 1 from Rohnson. 315 watt, 2.9 a 29.6 volt detachable battery. Let's see here. Oh yes, okay. So with this charger you're able to take it out from the machine and just plug it in like this. I'm gonna read the manual. I'm not sure if it has a little light somewhere to tell you that it's fully charged, but yeah, probably here. Okay, thanks for watching.